Hello and welcome to Forex Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing how to make money following our FX options section update. In this video, we will be looking at our FX options service, which is completely free and which we first brought to you on the 23rd of April this year. We will be today taking a look at how the service is going since its inception and what's changed and how it can be applied to your daily trading to enhance your overall success rate. Firstly, you will need to head to our website at Forex.academy, select Market Update, and from the drop-down menu, click FX Options. Every day on this page, our analyst Kevin O'Sullivan brings you the combined volume FX option expiries, which closes at 10 AM New York time each day. The combined amounts will never be less than 100 million of the local currency pertaining to the maturity. These large volume FX option maturities have a magnetic effect on price action of the particular currency, and typically major pairs are involved. This is what you might expect to see when you click on the FX options page every day when majority are available. Here we can see that there are 3 option maturities due to the roll-off at 10 AM New York cut. The first option is for 982 million euros at the 1.1300 exchange rate. The second option is for 584 million euros at 1.1400, and the third option is at 512 million euros at 1.1500. These FX option maturities are then plotted onto a 1-hour chart and color-coded red, orange or blue. If you see an FX option in red, there is a high probability that the price action gravitate towards this by 10 AM New York cut. If the maturity is color-coded in orange, there is a slightly less possible chance of price reaching this level by the cut, and if the maturities are highlighted in blue, there is an unlikely chance that price action reaches this level by 10 AM. Kevin will also provide chart analysis, which is a fairly new feature, when he publishes this data around 8:30 AM BST every day. For instance, here he says that the pair is consolidating, but the 1.1400 option expiry is within range, and with a caveat that the Eurozone data and policymaker speeches may play a role in the trend direction. He has provided support and resistance levels, and the 2 options at 1.13 and 1.15 are discounted by coding them into blue. Where Kevin believes that price will move to the upside to the target of 1.400 maturity, he has coded this in red. Now let's take a look at the price action later on during the Europe and United States session in this pair. We can see that Kevin was correct and price action punched through the resistance line and headed up to the 1.1400 option maturity. At no time did price go near the 1.1300 or the 1.1500 levels as predicted, and where these were highlighted in blue as being unlikely. At the time of the New York cut, the exchange rate was 1.1430, just 30 pips away from the favored red option at 1.1400. It is suggested by Kevin that traders place the option expiry levels onto their own charts in order to feed this into their own trading methodology. Even if you had taken on the trade based on Kevin's recommendation earlier in the European session, you could have made nearly 50 pips as price rose. What's more is that the service is extremely reliable, and where on a regular basis the technical analysis as provided by Kevin is throwing up accurate predictions, often with pinpoint accuracy and regularly by a handful of pips. This just goes to show how much market pushes the price action to these key FX expiries, and where often the larger combined amount of the maturity, the more likely of a price action hitting the FX option maturity at the time of the 10 AM New York cut. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.